Hey, have you ever been called mosquito bites? Listen to your friends complain about having small boobs when they have at least a B cup. Your mom telling you, don't worry honey, they'll grow, I promise. And now you're a 20-year-old lady who still hasn't gotten past stage 2 according to that American Girl doll book. If you know, you know. Wondering why the patriarchy decided to determine a woman's worth based on 2 sacks of fat on her chest while also buying into it and not knowing how to accentuate what your mama gave ya, then this is the video for you. Hi to my fellow members of the Itty Bitty Titty Committee. Growing up and still now, my boobs are my biggest insecurity. They just never grew. They just never wanted to do that. Over the years, I have picked up some tips and tricks on how to accentuate what I have. Nava Rose posted a video like this and we kind of look the same, so that's fun. But I'll link her video down below because it's really a good one and she has an amazing sense of style. Obviously, confidence comes from within and not just what your body shows are literally like just boobies. As someone that has to shop in the Target's kids section for my bras, I know how you feel. I know how discouraging it can be, but I want to tell you that you're beautiful and awesome and literally who cares about boobs? I mean, boobs are fun to look at, I will say that, but you know, it's not the end of the world if you don't have any. Accentuate the parts of your body that you do like. So for me, I like my collarbones. Hello, you can see them here. I think kind of distracting people from your insecurities with something that you do like is just nice. I mean, people will just be like, wow, you have nice collarbones. They won't be like, you have no tits. And if they do, like, why are they looking? Like, why are they looking? I think that's so odd if people can just like comment negatively on your body. It's just, that's beyond me. I absolutely love this square neck peasant type top. I know that sounds kind of weird, but that's just, I think that's what it's called. I have, I think probably 6 of these in just different patterns and colors. So I just love the way that it makes me feel. I love wearing it. And pairing it with some high-waisted pants makes it not so, you know, tummy is out. Okay, so I don't know who made private school uniforms a trend, but I'm here for it. I love the way that this looks. It makes me feel, I think I'm kind of living out my like rich private school girl dreams. And yeah, I actually did go to a private school when I was younger, even though I wasn't raised in that religion. My parents just thought it would be a good option for me, and then I got bullied a lot, so I left. Anyways, baggy shirts are my favorite thing to wear, and I really like that since I have no curvature or lumpage going on, it doesn't distort the fabric or the design or anything like that. It just lays flat onto my chest. I know some girls with some big boobies say that they don't really like wearing big shirts or just stuff like this because it kind of makes them feel weird, which I don't agree with. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous on everyone, but I kind of get where they're saying like it kind of does distort it. So that's a win for us flat-chested girls, I think. I really like the vibe and energy from wearing baggy on baggy. I got baggy on here, baggy on the bottom. It's a good time. It's a party up in here. No one has time to look at your body or criticize you in this outfit. You're kind of just there and you just look cool while doing it. I feel like when people wear baggy on baggy, they just look cool. Another take is just baggy, just all the way down, like this one. I love wearing t-shirt dresses so much, I practically live in them, especially in college. I wanted to spruce it up a little bit and add these biker shorts which have a lace detailing, so it's kind of like, hey, it's a surprise down there. Layered some necklaces to kind of feel more grunge and cool, even though I'm definitely not that. This is my favorite outfit to wear, especially when it's hot or when I'm just lazy. It kind of looks like you put everything together, especially with the biker shorts and the jewelry, but you just have a big t-shirt on. And then again, especially since it goes straight down, it's kind of satisfying. Like it just kind of like, just goes down like that. Hey, I know what you're thinking. Jazzy, why are you telling us to wear tight-fitted shirts when you just told us to wear baggy shirts? We can do both. I think the key is finding the right tight-fitting shirt for you. My personal favorite is this purple plaid shirt that I'm wearing right now, and since it has all these lines, kind of has an illusion of like movement and like structure. And don't be fooled, my boobs are just not big. I literally wear bras, so there's padding, so there's literally volume. Like I'm more flatter than this, believe it or not. And I don't know, I just feel cute in this shirt, so that's why I like to wear it. Gray is a perfect color to wear as a crop top. It really accentuates shadows even if there's not much to begin with. It's like the infamous gray sweatpants that men like to wear a lot, but it's for your boobies. And definitely with every basic t-shirt like this, I love to layer with a ton of jewelry. I have necklaces, rings, earrings, just the whole shebang. It really elevates the look even though you're literally just wearing a gray shirt and some jeans. I don't know, I feel like they look kind of bigger in this shirt. Just let me think that if they don't. A-line dresses are my favorite thing to wear, and that's because it goes down like this and it floofs out, and especially since I'm not the most curvy girl and I obviously lack volume up here, it kind of distracts the eye, makes it point down to the volume here. Especially since we have no cleavage. Yep, that's not happening. That's literally just skin for me.
Bye, bitch. Before you leave, it's the breath for me.
Accentuate your waist and your legs and your arms and your collarbones, just other things that you like about yourself. For my body, I only like short sleeve dresses. It might be because I have no boobs or just because I have armpit fat, but I feel like my armpit fat is definitely more noticeable than those with, like, you know, fat like here also. I think it's just kind of just more noticeable as you tell, like there's nothing here and there's something there. I don't know. For me, my confidence is a lot higher when I have, you know, poofy little sleeves like this, and especially since there's volume up here and volume not here, it doesn't really matter that there's nothing here, in my opinion. A really big thing that people say that flat-chested people can't wear is plunging tops, and I say fuck that to that. I personally really like the way that it looks, and I like putting long necklaces down here to kind of decorate the area. It did take me 20 years to get where I am, so I understand if you don't have the confidence or you're feeling a little uncomfy about the whole plunging neck situation. Simply adding a bralette or a little cami tank top under will resolve your problems and still look hot as fuck. Alright, who's ready to party? I love this top. Something that a lot of people say is that flat-chested girls can't wear bandeau tops. Can we just get a collective fuck you to people that think that they could just comment on your bodies and say, like, you don't have boobs so you can't wear that top? Like, come on, like, I just want to wear a bandeau top, like, let me live. For the longest time I thought I would never find a top that I felt confident in and just that looked like this, but I found it. Something about these sleeves really make me feel confident in myself. For some reason I feel like if it didn't have the sleeves I would feel really insecure and just kind of like, wow, people are just staring at my chest and, like, you know, just thinking that people care a lot more than they actually do. But I think these sleeves kind of like distract from it, and I mean, if they don't, they don't. Like, who cares that I don't have boobs? And also, I'm wearing the funkiest pants ever. I love these so much. I just got these and I really like them. But if I'm just out partying or just strolling around and people are like, wow, she's wearing really cool pants, they won't really just look up at my chest and be like, wow, she doesn't have any boobs. And if they do, like, that's really odd that they would just be looking at your boobs when you're wearing really cool pants. And my last tip is to wear something that even if you did have cleavage or big boobs, it wouldn't show anyways. A good example is this dress. I feel like if you had like probably like B or C cup boobs, like it wouldn't show, just kind of like have that, but it wouldn't have cleavage. So from head on, it doesn't look like you're less than an A cup. And also I really like this dress, so that's why I got it. Again, with the open neck, puffy sleeves, kind of A-line-esque situation. This is also one of my favorite dresses. So when you wear a top like this where it kind of like doesn't really show that you don't have boobs, it leaves it to the imagination of the person that's looking at you. So I don't know, I just think it doesn't really accentuate that I'm flat-chested in this one. Maybe it does to you, but for me, I like it. And for the last outfit, I have this one. This top is exactly what I was saying for the last tip. Even if I had big knackers, I feel like it wouldn't show your cleavage here. I mean, obviously it would fill out a little bit more, but I feel like since it's so baggy right here, like even if I had like a B or a C cup, it would kind of have a similar effect of what it's looking like right now. So yeah, even nothing. And I just really like this fit and just tailor of it all. I used to wear this top at least once a week, and I can't wait to wear it again once it gets a little bit more cold. After 3 hours of just trying on clothes and talking, I was very exhausted and did not want to film an outro, so here is my impromptu outro. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a tip or two. I want to tell you that you're beautiful and amazing even without boobs, but if you have boobs, you're also very beautiful and amazing. Your feelings are valid and I totally understand. Subscribe if you want to, but that's okay if you don't, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Wow.